Hey everyone, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Jason Myers. Tuesday, June 24th, looks like we have a similar setup to what we saw yesterday. That is eastern Colorado. Get ready for another bumpy ride. Here's what I'm talking about. Yesterday afternoon and evening, we saw quite a few hail reports, 9 or 10 in the northeast corner of Colorado. It looks like we're going to see a similar setup today, and then across Indiana and Ohio, even southern Illinois, saw a lot of wind reports, and then a couple of tornado reports. Very small tornado with minimal damage in southern Illinois, and then another tornado in Brunswick, Ohio. National Weather Service members are heading out there today, but they're thinking it was either a strong F1 or a weak EF2 tornado in Brunswick, Ohio. That's just south of Cleveland by it's about a 30-minute drive away from Cleveland or so. And it did quite a bit of damage. A few houses saw windows blown out and siding ripped off, roofs torn up, holes blown into houses. And so it did a fair amount of damage. I doubt we'll see another tornado today, but it is a possibility with a line of storms working its way across the same area once again, and that's what we can expect later this afternoon. There are those rain showers and thunderstorms across the Midwest, and these will continue moving to the east throughout the day today. Our slight risk, though, is once again centered over eastern Colorado and in parts of Denver, northeast New Mexico, western Kansas. Expected to see a few rounds of the potential for some severe weather, and that's because we have some serious instability in place, and then, of course, some vertical wind shear, and that could lead to the development of some big supercell storms. Hail is the threat risk mainly, and then we have a possibility for some wind as well with that bullseye there. Another smaller area at risk, about the same spot that saw that severe weather yesterday. And it is because of this frontal boundary right here. The rain and thunderstorms associated with it expected to move eastward, and that's when we'll see that potential for severe weather. As for tornado risk, that is limited to eastern Colorado. At least that's where we have the 2% outline. That's why I think our chances of another tornado in this general region, in this part of the country, is doubtful. I mentioned the heat and humidity really getting put to work, and it is hot and humid across the eastern half of the country. Some of that humidity bleeds into eastern Colorado, but look, 70s and 80s already early this morning, and then those dew points are in the 60s and 70s. That's a lot of moisture to work with. It's starting to work its way into eastern Colorado, and that will help with the development of those storms a little later today. This is this morning, according to the models, and they're handling it pretty well, at least in the Midwest. You can see that line of showers and storms spanning from Michigan down through southern Illinois. As we head through the afternoon and the evening, we start to see more pop-up showers and storms. You see a lot of that scattered activity, especially in the southeast. And as this line of storms continues to work its way east, some of it could become severe. This is about 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 o'clock Mountain Time for Denver. And it looks like we're starting to see right around 6 o'clock some of those storms developing as we head into the later evening hours. So that's what we can expect today. Again, that bullseye, just another quick look at it, is centered over eastern Colorado, but we still have that small risk area in parts of the Midwest as well. Be safe today. Please follow us on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Like this video. Subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. And most of all, be safe today. So I'll see you next time.